Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we will learn English quantifiers in a very easy and simple way. You will learn how to use some, any, much, many, few, a few, little, a lot of, lots of, all, every, each, no, and none. Let's start the lesson. English quantifiers used to express quantity or amount. Some means an amount or number that is not exact or specific. For examples, I have some apples. She bought some milk. We need some water. They have some friends. He ate some rice. Many means a large number of people or things that can be counted. For examples, I have many friends. She has many ideas. There are many cars. We saw many people. I read many stories. Few, a few. Few means a small number of people or things, almost not enough. A few means a small number of people or things, but enough to be useful. For examples, I have few friends. She has a few books. We saw a few people. There are a few cars. I have a few ideas. Much means a large amount of something that cannot be counted individually. For examples, how much water is there? I don't have much money. She doesn't eat much rice. There isn't much time. We don't need much sugar. Any means one, some, or an amount of something, usually used in questions and negative sentences. For examples, do you have any money? I don't have any time. Is there any water? She doesn't have any friends. Do they need any help? All, every, each. All means the whole amount or every person or thing in a group. Every means each person or thing in a group, considered one at a time. Each means every person or thing in a group, considered separately. For examples, all people need food. Every day is special. Each child got a gift. All cars stopped. Every room is clean. A lot of, lots of. A lot of means a large amount or a large number of something. Lots of means a large amount or a large number of something. For examples, I have a lot of friends. She drinks a lot of water. We saw lots of people. He has a lot of money. I have a lot of work. Little, a little. Little means a small amount of something that cannot be counted, almost not enough. A little means a small amount of something that cannot be counted, but enough to be useful. For examples, I have little money. She has a little time. There is little water. We have a little sugar. He has little patience. No or none. No means not any or not one of something. None means not any of a group or amount. For examples, I have no money. None of them came. Video ending outro. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned English quantifiers easily. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.